Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious chocolate chip cupcake. It's going to be a nice, fluffy, moist vanilla cupcake bursting with delicious chocolate chips, fluffy buttercream, and sprinkled with chocolate chips right on top. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. And if you're new in the kitchen, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on some delicious, yummy chocolate chip cupcakes. So our first step is going to be to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl, and to that you want to start adding in your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt. Then you want to give those a quick little whisk. After all those dry ingredients are nice and whisked together, you want to go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and we're going to start on our wet ingredients. So first up, we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs and our white sugar. Now we're going to take our hand mixer and we're going to beat our eggs and our sugar together for a good 2 minutes on a nice medium speed until they're both fully combined and they're light and super creamy. Once you reach full creaminess, you want to go ahead and follow that up by adding in your butter and your vanilla. And then staying on that same medium speed with your hand mixer, you want to go ahead and incorporate that butter and that vanilla into your creamy egg and sugar mixture. So we have our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients, now it's time to mix them all together. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sprinkle in our dry mixture into our wet. Then we're going to incorporate these dry ingredients on a nice low speed with our hand mixer until they are just combined. And we want to make sure not to overmix, because overmixing is going to leave our cupcakes a little dense and a little heavy, and it's not really ideal for a cupcake that we want nice and light and fluffy. Now with our dry ingredients mixed into our wet ingredients, we can go ahead and add in our last ingredient. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in a little bit of sour cream. And then we're going to mix, still on that low speed with our hand mixer, the sour cream into our batter until it is nice and smooth. And just like that, in a couple of quick easy steps, we have delicious vanilla cupcake batter. But because these are chocolate chip cupcakes, we need to go ahead and add in a bunch of chocolate chips. And then fold those in with our spatula. And after that, our vanilla cupcake batter becomes chocolate chip cupcake batter. Now we're going to go ahead, transfer those to a piping bag or an ice cream scoop or a Ziploc bag with the tip cut off. Either way, you want to go ahead and take your delicious chocolate chip cupcake batter from the bowl and transfer that to your cupcake liners and fill each cupcake liner until they're about 2/3 of the way full. Once you fill those up, you want to go ahead, pop in the oven, and let bake for a quick 18 to 20 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes have baked, they've cooled. I let them cool and hang out in the cupcake pan for a quick 5 minutes before popped one out, took a little taste test. But now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some simple decorating, some simple garnishing, and we're gonna top these cupcakes with some delicious, smooth, fluffy vanilla buttercream. And just a sprinkle of chocolate chips. And after the buttercream and the chocolate chips, you have the perfect, ideal, super quick, super easy, super delicious chocolate chip cupcake. It's gonna be moist, fluffy, and all kinds of delicious levels. I'm probably gonna eat this whole dozen. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these chocolate chip cupcakes. If you're a fan of chocolate chip cupcakes or just cupcakes in general, because you know, who shouldn't be? They're delicious, they're cupcakes, they're so yummy. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know what baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. Then after giving that like, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy, delicious cupcakes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixtures to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious chocolate chip cupcakes, because you totally should, they're really good, you won't regret it, pinky promise, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Yeah, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna grab a cupcake, maybe 2 or 4, have some coffee, enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.